Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. Around 200 NCERT contractual employees remain unpaid for 4 months despite contract extensions till September, with salary disbursement pending until the release of Project Approval Board funds under Samagra Shiksha. NCERT says the matter is being examined, while the Union Education Ministry states that pending salaries will be released after the prescribed fund release process is completed. Can't happen again. PM calls NEET paper leak ghor paap, says preventing paper leaks is a national responsibility and vows strict action against those who play with students' future. Government says it is ready for a discussion in Parliament. Education Minister announces NEET UG to go fully computer-based from 2027. Pen and paper OMR sheets to be replaced by a computer-based test to enhance security, transparency and efficiency. CBSE launches NCERT, CIET's 5-day online training program on NEP 2020, empowering socio-economically disadvantaged groups from July 27 to 31 to mark the 6th anniversary of NEP 2020. Sessions to cover inclusive education, ECCE, Gender Inclusion Fund, special education zones and technology-enabled learning. With these certificates awarded to registered participants scoring 70% or above in the final online quiz. Punjab private schools oppose fee regulation ordinance capping annual fee hikes at 5%, warning that mandatory refunds and the expanded definition of fees could affect school operations and financial sustainability. State government defends the measure as a step to regulate school fees and protect parents' interests. CISCE declares ICSE Class 10 Improvement Result 2026. Higher marks to be counted as final score. Students can access results through the CISCE Results Portal and official website, with DG Locker documents available from 24th July. Visvesvaraya Technological University signs agreement with Google to provide industry-oriented training in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity and data science for engineering students across Karnataka. Centre informs Lok Sabha that about 6% of UGC NET candidates qualify for assistant professor eligibility, while around 11,750 junior research fellowships are awarded annually. Government says JRF fellowship amounts were last revised in 2023 based on the recommendations of the Anomaly Committee. Delhi University appeals for calm amid ongoing protests, saying vested interests are fueling student anxiety. University urges students to rely on official communication and reaffirms its commitment to addressing concerns through dialogue and institutional mechanisms. From 522 to 95, 305 to 64, to NEET UG aspirants move Madhya Pradesh High Court alleging huge score discrepancies, challenge constitutional validity of NTA, centre given 1 week to respond. We owe students more than outrage, Education Minister slams opposition over paper leak protest, says students should not be used as a political tool, reassures government's commitment to reforms and accountability. AI-assisted maths breakthrough. Anthropic's Claude Fable 5 helps disprove the 87-year-old Jacobian conjecture that had stumped mathematicians since 1939. Mathematician Levent Alpoj makes the discovery while watching the FIFA Club World Cup final. Meta rolls out new AI safety feature that alerts parents if supervised teen users discuss suicide or self-harm with Meta AI across Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger and Facebook. Feature now available in the US, UK, Canada and Australia ahead of global expansion. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send Hi on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.